who is the Director of Auroville Institute of Applied Technology. Auroville, welcome sir.
தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது.
நீண்ட காலமாக ஜெர்மனியில் தன்னுடைய வாழ்க்கை பயணத்தை நடத்தியிருக்கிறார். பிறகு 2003 இங்கே வந்துவிட்டார், இந்தியாவுக்கு வந்துவிட்டார். இவர் தன்னுடைய வாழ்க்கையில் ஸ்ரீ ரமண ரிஷியை பின்பற்றக்கூடியவர், வாழ்க்கையில் எளிமையாக வாழக்கூடியவர். ஆரோவில்னுடைய ஒரு டைரக்டர். என்ன டைரக்டராக இருக்கின்றார்? அது ஒரு இன்ஸ்டிடியூட்டாக இருக்கின்றது, டெக்னாலஜிக்கல் காலேஜ் என்று சொல்லக்கூடிய ஒரு இன்ஸ்டிடியூட்டாக இருக்கின்றது. அதில் ஒரு டைரக்டராக இருக்கின்றார். அவருக்கு ஆன்மீகத்தில் நாட்டம் இருக்கின்றது. அதிலும் பொதுவாக பகவத்கீதையிலும் கர்மயோகத்திலும் நாட்டம் என்பது இருக்கின்றது. இப்பொழுது நான் அவரை தன்னுடைய ஆன்மீக அனுபவங்களை நம்மிடம் பகிர்ந்து கொள்ளுமாறு அன்புடன் அழைக்கின்றேன். I request திரு Lavakaman Chandra to bring out or to share his divine insight among us in this holy occasion. Please.
Translate பண்ண சொல்லுங்க.
Sisters and brothers, Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brothers and sisters, and it is, in my opinion, not only protection that brother can to sister, protect her from all the eventuality of life, and be present for her, especially from Brahma Kumari. I came in contact with Brahma Kumari in Germany in 1980 somewhere. A friend of, so this way I came to know about that. And so again, coming back, what Rajendra was to me, my first contact was also 85, 86, Rajendra. After I started the Raja Yoga, but not Brahma Kumari, but the Sri Vivekananda's method of Raja Yoga. And then I made a long journey from Raja Yoga to Sufi, to Buddhism, to I would say Rama Maharshi. And so I've gone through all these things, but I found them at the end. I cannot forgive. We have to find our own way, own path for happiness, for moksha, what we are all carving for. It is important that we seek protection. The first part is to get strength. And the strength coming from character divine. And the women, the sisters, when they are also getting strong all the time, Shakti is important. But on the other side, consciousness. So we are both. We are consciousness and Shakti. So whatever we do, we are not using only our Shakti, but also something which is called consciousness. We are doing consciously. And that is what I experienced in my life. That through going all different methods, I find my own solution. At the end, the solution is be conscious. Whatever you do, be conscious. That's very simple. And that's all. The Shakti will come automatically. You will, when you are connected here, you will get connection, vibration, you will get connected to that. I felt here that was doing this short meditation retreat here. I felt it myself. And that is what I can say. When we are aware of not only our human beings, aware of everyone what exists, because we are part of the same universal consciousness. A same universal consciousness is present in all of us, whether it's animal, tree, man, woman, race, it doesn't matter. And this way we can come to a solution which is going on. We can get peace only when we are peaceful in ourselves. When we are conscious, when we are the Shakti in ourselves, that we don't need anyone else. We are not depending on anyone else, except on the divine who is giving us the Shakti and consciousness. Thank you very much.